Hello everyone, it is just a guy on X and there's weird stuff going on. This was posted 2 days ago over Japan, and then just last night this was posted that Kamala Harris cancels her trip and rushes back to the White House, and so does Biden. Now, today this happened, and this was in New Jersey. That's where all the drones have been. And this guy is filming and saying there's a bunch of traffic there, a line of cars just going on and on. They don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is related, but just today, right now, just 2 hours ago, this was posted over the southeastern states of America, and you're seeing fireballs up in the sky. And these videos are from numerous witnesses. It's not just one, it's a bunch of them. They're sending in videos, they're posting it online, and you're seeing it as it happened. So it's not edited or anything like that. Some are saying that it's just space debris. But they're also saying that about the drones, right? Some of them that are orbs and whatever. I think they're trying to make us think that they're just people with drones and whatever else. Do not panic. But something I think is going on, and it's much more serious than just people flying drones. And yes, conspiracy theories will rise if they do not start telling the truth. Trump himself said that, hey, the military should tell the people what's going on. And if not, shoot them down. If they're not ours, shoot them down. Now, I don't know what is going on, but even with the drones, if it wasn't a big deal and if it's just people flying drones as a hobby, why have classified briefings with the Pentagon over that? Why not have it made public and say, hey, this is what it is, do not worry. The United States government says don't worry, but then they're having classified briefings. I don't know about you, but I want the truth. You guys do follow. I will keep putting up content just like this, and go ahead and reshare so that more people see this.